Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the refresh rate on your display from 60 Hz to 120 or back and forth. Now, sometimes this could help save battery life on your phone. And for me, for some reason, 120 Hz always hurts my eyes. So scrolling down from the top right here, and then go to Settings, and find Display, and scroll on down. It should be at the bottom here. So if your phone is capable of a different refresh rate, go to this section, display refresh rate, 60 Hz. So we have auto, smart optimization up to 120 Hz. So however that's going to be optimized, 60 Hz, smooth, lower battery consumption. 120 Hz, smoother, higher battery consumption. A higher display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing, but drains the battery faster. Your refresh rate is capped at 60 Hz in battery saver mode. So if you have battery saver mode turned on, you're only at 60 Hz. So you might want to go to the top here and then find battery saver and then turn that off. So I have it turned off right now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.